Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Big day today. We've got we're media partners of the GRI CEE conference here in Warsaw, so we'll be going to that a little bit later today. Also, a couple new jury members today for the investment awards, the CEE investment awards. Also, a couple of the directors from the JLL Property Fund. So sounds, new group, new company. Sounds very interesting. Probably very active in buying real estate as well, and I assume more on the retail side. So a couple interesting additions there, which you'll see on our LinkedIn and also on our CEE Investment Awards website, which is the event's coming up October 27th, big month, 3 weeks after EXPO Real. So a lot happening there on the investment side, and on the CRE awards in Hungary also big interest in that. It really seems like Hungary is really expanding. A lot of new properties on the market for sale, and a lot of new ones coming up or just finished, so potentially for sale, and a lot of future projects coming to fruition and up for sale for the potential office and logistics. So a lot happening on that side. For the commercial real estate side, quite a lot of interesting news. I see a lot of reports coming out for quarter one as well. Yeah.
All the reports from the usual suspects are out,
hitting out, and so reading up a little bit on that. So we'll take a little 30 second break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief at EuropaProperty.com, and to hear the highlights of the news today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, Winston. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
Great, Craig.
Great to see you. It's day 2, second day in a row here in Warsaw. Great to be back, and always exciting to hear about the news.
Yeah, like you say, there's been a lot of reports for the first quarter, and we've got one here from Poland and from JLL about the premium residential market, which has seen a surge in interest. And interestingly, the Tri-City in Poland is emerging as one of the second largest premium real estate market in the country after Warsaw. And this is according to JLL, and who they did this report in cooperation with Invest Komfort.
Oh, okay.
And it shows that in Poland's 6 main residential markets, the upper middle and high end apartments account for 6% of the available offer. In the Tri-City, this share stood at 10.6%. And it's amongst the highest from the cities analysed. And some of the highlights of the report include sales of apartments increased significantly last year, reaching nearly 3,200 units, and 900 were in the Tri-City. The main purchases of premium properties continue to be affluent Poles and foreigners with direct ties to Poland. And people from Asia and the Middle East who treat their purchase as a pure investment still represent a small percentage. And buyers' motives include a desire to improve their living conditions and to gain financially from short-term rentals. And recent purchases have been particularly affected by the rising inflation and uncertainty in financial markets. So people want to secure their bets moving forward.
Right, high inflation, buy an apartment. Yep.
That's according to JLL.
Okay.
I think it's to do with their savings. And staying in the residential market and moving to Romania, and the investor developer Prime Capital has got a building permit for Palladius residence in Ploiești. And this will be a new green city project, and it's apparently going to be car-free, and construction is going to start imminently.
Car-free, wow.
Car-free, yeah. And it will consist of around 500 apartments, and it's going to be a large regeneration project by Prime Capital. And the completion is estimated in December 2023, and the overall project investment would be around 30 million euros. Coming back to Poland, and Panattoni have welcomed Boeing in Panattoni Park Rzeszów Airport 3. The park is located in the very centre of Aviation Valley, which is one of the country's biggest areas for aviation aircraft production in the country. And apparently, according to Panattoni, this region is one of the most dynamically developing regions in the country as well. And this park, when it's fully leased or fully built out, will comprise of around 70,000 square meters in 3 buildings. And Boeing Distribution Services has leased 3,000 square meters there. So another big deal for Panattoni.
Well, sounds great.
Yeah. And finally for today, coming to Warsaw, and a bit of innovation has been announced where Poland's first automatic underground bicycle storage system is in operation, and this is in the Norblin factory by the Capital Park Group. And this is a system that's been developed by Sistemas, which is a Spanish company which has completed projects in Spain, Switzerland, Singapore, and Israel. And it's a 24-hour public underground bicycle parking facility where you can drop your bike off and secure it with your helmet and your bag and whatnot. And it's got some nice pictures on the website of these little cubicles that come up from the ground. You can stick your bike in with your other stuff. You've got to pay for it, and then it goes back down. But this is one of these new innovations for sustainability and ecological means of transport, which is making it easier for today's bike users.
Right. Well, the Norblin guys, they have a lot of cool stuff going on there, and that really is, I'd say really is a lifestyle improvement to Warsaw with such an innovative place and great restaurants to eat at as well.
Yeah, the bike lanes in Warsaw are expanding all the time, so more and more people are obviously using bikes, and this is just makes life a little bit easier.
Excellent. We'll have to go check. Another reason to go there.
Have to go check it out with our bikes.
Check out with all the, as long as there's a place for me to park the car still, it'll be okay. So everyone, thank you. Is that all we have for today? Wow, yeah. We're ending on the bikes. Good. So everyone, thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show here on this great Tuesday morning. And stay safe and stay healthy, and we will see you on Wednesday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.